Welcome awesome people to my new video. Let me ask you this, are you ready to thrive in the booming world of online business? The digital marketing landscape is transforming fast, with the AI revolution making passive income more attainable than ever. AI-powered marketing tools allow you to work from home while managing digital products and services effortlessly, setting up multiple income streams without the typical hurdles. With over 40% of professionals now seeking flexible work options, the digital era offers an endless variety of ways to make money. Whether you're selling digital products, mastering email marketing, or generating leads through optimized content, smart strategies are essential. And speaking of solutions, One Browser is your all-in-one browsing solution, offering the familiarity of a standard browser plus advanced features. With a built-in VPN, you can access global content without extra installations. Manage multiple accounts seamlessly with unique profiles, minimizing suspension risks, and securely share accounts without needing to hand over passwords or deal with 2FA codes. Don't miss out. One Browser is the must-have tool of 2024. Try it now. With data showing a 60% increase in earnings for online entrepreneurs who adopt AI-driven approaches, now's the time to jump in. From improving SEO to perfecting social media tactics, the right tools can turn a side hustle into a full-time income stream. Embrace the shift and make online business work for you. Explore the powerful tools that can elevate your online business and set you on a path to success. Dive into a curated selection of resources designed to boost productivity, expand your reach, and unlock growth opportunities. Find all the details in the bio. For the record, the future of online business is looking brighter and more dynamic than ever. As technology evolves, businesses are no longer bound by borders. The digital marketplace is limitless, connecting entrepreneurs to customers worldwide. With AI-powered tools, data-driven strategies, and an emphasis on personalization, businesses can now reach and engage audiences in unprecedented ways. Innovations like augmented reality shopping, instant checkout systems, and real-time customer insights are transforming how we experience online transactions. E-commerce is expected to grow exponentially, with projections suggesting a multi-trillion-dollar industry in the next decade. As consumer behavior shifts towards convenience and digital-first approaches, opportunities for passive income, affiliate marketing, and digital products are expanding rapidly. From small startups to established enterprises, those who adapt and embrace digital advancements are set to thrive in this booming ecosystem. So, the question is, are you ready to be a part of it? Choice now. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.